In this video, let's see the 1-inch wheel spacers before and after. Let's go.
After installing 1-inch wheel spacers, they will add about 1-inch back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 1-inch wheel spacers on each front wheel, that adds a total of 50mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 1-inch spacers. Wheel spacers will reduce the wheel gap, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Certainly, most cars look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires flush with the fender. To ensure a safe wheel rotation, you will need more back spacing for brake calipers. Big aftermarket brakes require more space between the wheel and the hub assembly. By creating more back spacing, wheel spacers clear big brake clearance issues effectively. Installing the 1-inch hub-centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice.
If you want to get the Land Rover wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.